map. M is for monkey, monkey. M is for milk, milk. N is for mountain, mountain. M is for mouse, mouse. N is for music, music. M is for mug, mug. M is so magical, let's learn and play. So many M words to say today. Sound them out, make them clear. Learning with M brings lots of cheer. M is for mirror, mirror. M is for march, march. M is for mask, mask. M is for meal, meal. M is for melon, melon. M is for mittens, mittens. M is for motor, motor. M is for meadow, meadow. M is for moose, moose. M is for magnet, magnet. M is for mud, mud. M is for market, market. M is for monster, monster. M is for mat, mat. M is for mic, mic. M is for museum, museum. M is for magical, sing along. Let's explore the alphabet with this song. With every word we learn and grow. M is a letter that helps us know.
If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Please don't forget to click the like button.